What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to talk about 3 of my favorite exchanges to use. They are centralized exchanges, so I will say that with a caveat. 3 of my favorite centralized exchanges to use. And I'm going to go with the first one is KuCoin. If you guys have not already seen my video on KuCoin, go ahead and check it out. It has tons of features. It goes from trading bots to lending to earning to soft staking to staking, to dividends from holding the KuCoin token, trading fee discounts, so much garbage. Not garbage, but like a bunch of stuff. Like really cool stuff, actually. And they have a bunch of small altcoins you can trade with. So that is pretty crazy. And best of all, there is a referral link in the description below. So you get a reward, I get a reward. It's a win-win. Next is we got Binance US. So Binance US is okay. I prefer KuCoin better. The app is a little, I wouldn't say it's doo-doo, but sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's not really I guess if you don't have good internet, it doesn't work that great. But other than that, Binance US isn't too bad. But you guys can play around with it, use it. It's for trading coins. They do have the best fees, or I'm sorry, not the best fees, but the lowest fees of all of them, especially when you hold some BNB, and sign up with a referral link below because it gives you 25% off trading. So if you use the referral link in the description below, you guys will get a referral link or a discount on that as well. But Binance is similar, or Binance US is similar to KuCoin, that it has lending and it also has a simple trading platform to use. You can also earn interest on your tokens as well. You just have to lock them up, or you can lend them out like I explained, or you can easily stake them. They don't have the soft staking similar to what KuCoin does, but you can still stake, earn rewards, have some fun, do your thing. That's Binance US. The third one is Coinbase Pro. So like I said, guys, this is going to be a quick video, but Coinbase Pro, there's also a referral link in the description below. But you get trading fee discounts when you guys use it, and you get a $5 Bitcoin bonus just for signing up. Super easy to use. Coinbase Pro, it does have the highest fees. They don't have cool things like earning interest or staking rewards, etc. But they do have a neat trading platform. I will say it is probably the easiest of all 3 of them to use, but it has the highest fees, so it's kind of a bit, whatever. And they don't have a token where you can get additional trading fee discounts, so it's kind of like, whatever. It is what it is. And obviously, I've already explained the other apps like Crypto.com and Voyager. Those are the other 2 apps. But centralized exchange-wise, these are pretty interesting ones to use. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys Crypto.com as well so you guys can see it as well. This one's a little bit different because you can actually stake your crypto while it's on the app and you can earn interest on it. So it's pretty cool to use, and you get a $25 bonus just for signing up. And then you got Voyager. So Voyager pays some juicy interest rates. You can get about 9% without the VGX token for some stable coins, and up to 10% for other tokens as well. They do have a pretty good interest rate on ETH and BTC, so go ahead and check them out, guys. Those are a couple of these centralized exchanges. Again, my top 3 that I like to use are KuCoin, Coinbase Pro, and Binance US. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to learn more about each of those exchanges, in the description below, I have links to videos doing a deep dive into each of the exchanges so you guys can understand it better. Proverbs chapter 29, verses 19. Servants cannot be corrected by mere words. Though they understand, they will not respond. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well, guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40, like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both and you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step 1 of the triple threat. All right, Drake, I did step 1. What's step 2? All right, guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step 2 of the triple threat, or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BLOCKFI account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BLOCKFI, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.